Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. 27,895 miles on the odometer. Non-smoker, absolutely gorgeous paint. Very nice. You can see this is kind of warped looking. Now this glass is a little loose, so it does kind of shake around. And I'm getting some wind noise because of that. I'm hearing some creaking, I think, from that front suspension. Yeah, a little bit of creaking. Hitting on those brakes. So you can kind of hear the suspension a little bit. And there's a very light tilt to the wheel. Shifting good though. Steering wheel's nice and straight, no issues there. So far alignment feels solid. Definitely feel the front suspension creaks and kind of rattles. Yeah, alignment feels good. Steering wheel's nice and straight. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Now that was the license plate frame here in the back. Ignore that sound. Shifting good though. That all feels good. That was shifting really nice. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So you got the replica wheels here. Look like the Z06 wheel. Looks good. Got the Nittos, day code 2025, NT555 G2s. Looking at the fender, little rock chip. Got a little chip there, little guy there. A couple chips down the side, all very minor. A couple chips here, a few little scuffs. That looks nice. Looking at the top, that looks great. Same with that. Beautiful paint. Got the kind of imitation carbon fiber overlays there. Just like an add-on. The door looks good. A couple tiny little marks. But this is a very clean car. Like I said, here's the replica wheels. Chrome finish looks good. Red calipers, day code 2025. No window tint anywhere. Down here you do have rash. It did go all the way through. Lens looks good, nice and clear. Headlight cover looks good. Got one rock chip there. Couple of little imperfections there in the paint. Looks like maybe some bird poop or something kind of sat on it. And then same here, little spot in the paint. Upper side looks nice. You do have a little scratch there. That lens looks good. We have a little gash there, a couple chips, another little marking here. You have some rash under here, which of course I'm way under the car. Fender looks good, wheel looks nice. Here on the door edge, you got a little chip and a couple more down there. That mirror looks good. And keep in mind, this paint is incredible. Very, very nice. Reflections look good. Got the carbon. I mean, look up close. Not a bunch of swirls. Reflection is great. Clarity looks good. Really, really nice. Looks good. Taillights look nice. There's one chip right there. Otherwise, this is incredible. All right, checking out the interior. Looking good, non-smoker. Looking at that door panel, upper side looks awesome. These buttons are nice and clean. That grab handle looks perfect. Lower side looks nice. One thing to note, that glass does wiggle a pretty good amount. Looking at the seat here, overall that looks good. A couple little scuffs. You do have a small tear forming right there. You do have a lot of wear from the seat belt rubbing over the years. Some discoloration. The leather here is a little hard from just kind of oils on your legs. That's decent. This is really nice. But this is kind of hardened just a little bit. Looking at the steering wheel, typical wear, but for the most part in great condition. That looks good. Nice and clean. Buttons look nice. You still have plastic on that cover right here on that screen. Shifter's in great condition. A little bit of wear right there. A little wear from the elbow, it looks like. And then this finish on here, it may be hard to see, but it's wonky. It kind of has delaminated. That window's pretty good. Upper section looks nice. Buttons are nice and clean. Overall, that panel looks incredible. Overall, this looks good. Got the weather text. Got a little cup holder set up here. Typical wrinkles on the seat. Cushion's still nice and firm. Got a little chip out of the leather here. Upper side looks nice. That looks good. Kind of feeling the dash there, all solid. Great condition. All right, a couple stains in the carpet, but for the most part, that looks really nice. You have some floor mats here. Those look like they're in good condition. All of that looks amazing. Got a cold start here. I do hear some clicking. It might be the exhaust kind of rattling. All right, going through the engine bay. Freshly detailed, looks incredible. Nice and clean. The covers look good. All the red lettering is intact. It's in great condition though. I'm looking at this side once again, nice and clean. Battery terminals, they look good. I don't see a date code on that battery. That looks nice. Check out the underhood liner, in great condition. And then you are missing whatever cover was right here.